There is nothing as important as winning as a gent. The most important thing in your life as a gent is to win. You might not win today, you might not win tomorrow, but when the war ends, you need to come out of that thing as a warrior. You need to come out victorious. Because do you know what happens, my brother, if you are a loser and a man? Stress, depression, anxiety. You see all these diseases, fancy what, they are coming for you as a loser. Do you know what happens when you're a loser? You're not even given a platform. You can't even speak at funerals because you're a loser. You can't even speak at birthday parties for a kid that is 2 years because you're a loser. No one wants to give you the platform. That's why winning for you as a man is important. There's nothing as big as winning as a man. And you also know what happens when you are a man and you are winning. They value you, they respect you. When you are coming there, they already open the space for you. You understand what I'm saying? They give you that respect in society. That's how it is built. That's why you can find a man who's stupid but has money, but people still laugh at his dry jokes. Because he has money. You know what I'm saying? That's how the society is built. That if you are a winner, everyone is gonna respect you. So that's why, my brother, on this Sunday, I'm just here to tell you that you might not win the battles, dog, but the war, you need to be a warrior and come out of that thing victorious. Family, your girlfriend, everything, my brother, depends on you. That's why you need to win. Happy Sunday, guys, and have a great day. Hey.